another weekend, Saturday 19th December 2020. Today I am going to an oldest neighborhood in Bangalore, Alsur. Alasuru is the official name of Alsur now. I will show the attractions in Alsur when I reach there. The first destination as per my list is Someshwara Temple. It is very old temple in Bangalore. I will tell you the detail about the temple and the other attractions in Alsur. Time is sharp 7 morning. Passing through the KR-Puram hanging bridge. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to reach. Just started now. Today also Shemmi and Nanda is not coming with me. I am going alone. Exams still going on. Let's go and see. Halasuru is located in central Bangalore and near the eastern end of MG Road, which is 8 kilometers from Kembegowda bus station and Bangalore Central Railway Station and 40 kilometers from Bangalore Airport. Also, there is a metro station in Halasuru. Halasuru is famous for its numerous temples and rather narrow streets. It is said that there used to be a jackfruit tree near the Alsur lake and the Kannada name of jackfruit being Halasina Hannu. The area came to known as Alasuru. I reached near to Someshwara Temple. This is in Bazaar Street, Alsuru. So let's go and see. I'm in front of Someshwara Temple. Here parking will be very limited. If you are coming early morning, you will get some parking. Sri Someshwara Swami Temple is one of the old temples in the city, dating back to the Chola period. It is dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. Major additions and modifications were made during the late Vijayanagara Empire period under the rule of Kembegowda II. The temple plan follows many of the basic elements of Vijayanagara architecture, though at a lower scale. The temple has a square Garbhagriha which is surrounded by a narrow passage. The Garbhagriha is connected to a closed mandapa whose walls are decorated with pillars and sculptures. The tower itself exhibits well sculptured images of gods and goddesses from the Hindu mythology. The open mandapa consists of 48 pillars.
ಇದು ಮಾಂಡವ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಪುರಾತನ 1000 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಆ ಮಾಂಡವ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇದು ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ ಜೀರ್ಣೋದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆ ಋಷಿನ. ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಂಡವ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಜಾಗ. ಅರವತ್ನಾಲ್ಕು ಜನ ಶಿವಭಕ್ತರು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಶಿವನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. ಇದು ಚಂಡಿಕೇಶ್ವರ, ಶಿವಭಕ್ತ, ಪರಮಭಕ್ತ. ಉತ್ಸವಮೂರ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತೊಳಗೆ ಅದು ಮೈನ್.
ಸರಿ. Recent excavations at the temple site has revealed the existence of a temple tank which could be 1200 years old. This is an Anjaneya temple behind the Someshwara temple. Near to the temple, you can see a beautiful mosque, Jama Masjid. Done with Someshwara temple darshan. Now going towards the Trinity Circle, planning to visit Trinity Church in Trinity Circle. It is around 1 kilometer from here. Take 2 to 3 minutes to reach there. Holy Trinity Church is a major landmark in Bangalore. It was built in 1851 for the British regiment stationed in Bangalore. The church can accommodate 700 people and is regarded as the largest military church in southern India. It has a congregation of over 450 families. I could not capture more visuals as prayer permission is required for shooting. On the right side, a building covered with blue sheets. This is Gurudwara, first and largest Gurudwara in Bangalore. Now the renovation activities are going on. Reach the famous Alsur Lake. It is spread across 123 acres and has several islands. The average depth is 19 feet, while the maximum depth is recorded at 58 feet. It has an approximate shore length of 3 kilometers. A walking cum jogging track is also built around the lake. Kembegowda II built 4 main watchtowers in Bangalore, located in Alsur, Lalbagh, Mekri Circle and Kembabudi Lake. This one is the watchtower located near to Alsur Lake. Entrance is restricted to the public as this land belongs to the defense. Done with today's visit. There are so many attractions near to Alsur. I will try to show in my upcoming videos more attractions in Alsur. Due to time constraint, I could only cover very few places. Time is around 9:30. Going back to my home. Thank you for watching.